Hello everyone. Welcome to Magical Stocks channel, where fundamentals meet technical. PSE index went up from 7,340.77 last November 5, 2021, to 7,382.84 this November 12, 2021. This performance is equivalent to a 0.57% increase in the index for the week. Our magical stocks, however, went down from 751.31k pesos to 750.73k pesos, or a minus 0.08% decrease in our investment. Overall, our magical stocks profit went down from 150.49k pesos to 149.92k pesos. We already screened the 5 November stocks and we already bought 2 of them last week. Before we proceed with the discussion of the 5 stocks, and if you are interested in investing using our magical stocks or monitoring our system's effectiveness, please like this channel, subscribe and hit the notification button to keep you updated weekly. We have chosen 5 stocks for November and we will choose 2 for the actual buying. They are 1. Security Bank Corporation or SECB. 2. Metro Pacific Investments Corporation or MPI. 3. Vista Malls, Incorporated or STR. 4. COSCO Capital, Incorporated or COSCO. 5. Wholesome Philippines, Incorporated or HLCM. Of the 5 stocks, we are choosing COSCO and HLCM as our November magical stocks. We already bought the 2 stocks on November 12, 2021. We bought COSCO at 5.45 pesos per share at 7,500 shares. We also bought HLCM at 5.81 pesos per share at 7,000 shares. This is part of our reinvestment of what we already sold in the past few months. Here is the worksheet for our 4 batches of magical stocks. Our top performer is Glow gaining 7.39%, while the least performer is SCC losing minus 8.87%. We still don't have any sell signal for our magical stocks. Our first batch is above the market with a gap of 9.77% this November 12, 2021, coming from 9.49% last November 5, 2021. Our second batch is above the market with a gap of 25.61% this November 12, 2021, coming from 26.33% last November 5, 2021. Our third batch is above the market with a gap of 0.48% this November 12, 2021, coming from 1.39% last November 5, 2021. Our fourth batch is above the market with a gap of 5.43% this November 12, 2021, coming from 4.86% last November 5, 2021. To summarize our investment, the first batch of magical stocks is gaining by 34.09%, coming from 33.1%. The second batch is gaining by 28.11%, coming from 28.24%. The third batch is gaining by 15.55%, coming from 15.81%. The fourth batch is gaining by 12.22%, coming from 11.03%. Overall, with an investment of 600.82k pesos, our investment's current value is 750.73k pesos, equivalent to 24.95%, coming from 25.05%. We have a gaining first batch, a gaining second batch, a gaining third batch and a gaining fourth batch. That will be all for the magical stocks update this week. Thank you for watching. Next week, we will continue updating the 4 batches of magical stocks and the 8 experimental stocks. Quote, "He who knows when he can fight and when he cannot, will be victorious." Unquote. Sun Tzu. See you in the following video, have a great day ahead.